Isang mainit na pagbati sa inyong lahat dyan sa UP Diliman Technology Management Center. Sa ating administrators, faculty at staff, sa mga kapamilya, kaibigan at mga panauhin, at syempre, sa mga natatanging mag-aaral na pararangalan ngayong araw. Congratulations sa mga graduates ng Master of Technology Management Program. Sigurado ako na talagang pinagsikapan ninyo ang tagumpay na ito, bunga ng oras, pawis, luha sa loob ng mga taon na iginugol nyo sa programang ito. Napakabilis na nga ng ikot ng ating mundo ngayon. This is due to the innovations that have been introduced over decades. Technology has made our lives easier for sure, with the promise of tasks being automated, communications being faster, thoughts better organized and distilled, and processes being streamlined. But these promises remain unfulfilled for our nation in the current times. Hindi naman natin maikakaila na pag-iiwanan tayo pagdating sa maraming aspekto. There is so much that we have to catch up on with regards to our education system and the existing mismatch between what we teach in our schools and what the industries need for its workforce. While economic progress has been achieved to an extent, it remains nothing but a concept for our fellow Filipinos in the fringes, who continue to struggle with poverty and lack of opportunities. So many Filipinos are still in need of safe housing and access to basic services. Our government continues to lag behind in terms of digitalization, which poses a dilemma as well because access to the internet is still out of reach for many Filipino communities. Armed with a master's degree in technology management, you are equipped with the knowledge on how best to utilize technology so that it can fulfill its promise of impacting our lives in a positive way. As masters in this area, we count on you to introduce innovations which will help us drive towards shared progress and ensure that technology is used for the good. Napakahalaga ng papel ninyo sa ating hangarin na maging mas maunlad ang ating bansa dahil nasa inyo ang kaalaman kung paano magagamit ang teknolohiya para maabot ang bawat isang Pilipino, lalo na ang mga nasa laylayan. Kailangan namin ang galing nyo sa iba't ibang industriya at larangan para siguruhin na tunay na makikinabang sa pag-unlad ang mga kababayan natin, lalo na ang pinakanangangailangan. Malaking bagay ang inyong husay at pakikiisa dahil kayo ang magiging instrumento to concretize the good that technology aims to bring across sectors and industries, especially here in our country. Sa diwa ng dangal at husay na itinuro sa inyo ng ating pamantasan, sana ay yakapin ninyo ang responsibilidad na gamitin ang inyong talino at kakayahan para maglingkod sa ating mga kapwa Pilipino. Muli, congratulations at mabuhay kayong lahat.